Hi, so I'm gonna share with you guys today this brow kit I got from Shopee. It's called Kimuse. I have no idea how I pronounce it. Anyone can tell me? Okay, anyway, I got this in number 4, deep brown, because I always like a darker brown. And yeah, this is my first reaction video, and let's open up and see what's inside. Okay, so there's 2 spoolies for you to help define your brows. That's good. And this would be the stamp. Take a look inside. So it's pressed powder, and this would be the stamp. Okay, so this would be the stamps. I think there's about 10 of them, and they're all named individually. There's confident, sexy, there's even shooting star. I like this, shooting star, and queen. Okay, and then there's classic, elegant, nobility, and heroine. Great names. Okay, so let's try out heroine. Being a heroine in my story, so let me try to see. Yeah, I'm supposed to punch out this. Okay, let's see. Okay. No, I think it's a bit too archy and a bit too thick for my liking. Let's try something else. Nobility. Okay, so just gonna take out this. Try to match this. Sorry, I'm just looking at my mirror. I'm not used to looking into the camera. No, it's a bit too long. No, it's too far out. See? The end here. It's not gonna fit my eyes. Maybe for bigger eyes or Caucasian eyes. Doesn't work for my, very small almond Asian eyes. So I'm just gonna give this a skip. Sorry, phlegm. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I think a bit better. Sorry, this is how I sound in the morning. Okay, elegant. It looks very thin, very 90s. Yeah, very thin. It's super thin. No, I'm not gonna go for that. Okay, classic. Ugh. Hope I find one that works for me. So I don't know, it looks a bit too archy, like too early on, like but let's see. Yeah, I was right. No, it's not gonna work. It's gonna look like a triangle, like I drawn on a clown brows on my face. It's just gonna look funny. Okay, so that's not what I want. So moving on. Shooting star. Looks a bit softer. Maybe this will work. And it is a bit thicker. Okay. Seems pretty good. Shooting star. A motherfucking shooting star. Okay. And let's try this time. Queen. Sorry. Table's a bit messy. Just clean this up for a while. Queen. So I'm gonna try queen. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, this looks nice. It's not too archy. It's not too long at the end. Okay. I think this one works fine. So it's either this or shooting star. Okay, so shooting star is a bit softer, like a softer arc. Let's see. I'm gonna go for queen. I want to be queen for the day. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, I'm just gonna do this real quick. I think this product has a really cool idea. So for anyone who's have, you know, problems or trouble drawing eyebrows like I do. Oh god, I have the worst eyebrows. I can never get them perfectly done. Especially when I'm rushing for work in the mornings. Oh my god, it's terrible. Okay, let's just gonna do this. So we just stamp it on, and the ad says it lasts for, I'm gonna check, I forgot how many hours before. So I'm just gonna try this. Okay, how am I gonna do it? Let me see. It's not sticking on my, okay, let's see. Oh, it's too early for stretching. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, you just stamp it on and it's gonna last you for a decent whole day. So I'm going out for the whole day today later, and we'll come back and see. But let me just stamp this on. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the mirror. Let's do this. Ooh, okay. Looks kind of promising. Okay, as long as you don't slip and then you stamp on your brows, I think you should be fine. Reveal. Ooh. Okay, but let's do the other side. But let's make sure you clean the stamp before, you know, putting on your other face. So just clean this side. I think I'm gonna need a makeup remover for this. It's kind of stuck on the stamp. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, definitely need some help from a bit of a makeup remover to remove the powder from the stamp. Ooh, it's already looking promising. Okay, so clean stamp, start over on the other side. Just make sure I'm gonna stamp this correctly. Okay. Shit. Okay. Where is it? Okay, got it. Stamp, 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 stamp. Eesh. Make sure you get to every bald spot. Okay. Stamp, 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 stamp. I think I got everything. Every spot now. Oh, okay. Dun dun dun! Ta-da! Okay. Do I look funny? They're perfectly on, but I don't know. Looks kind of weird to have two perfectly done brows on both sides. Perfectly and identical. It's a complete mirror image of each other, so I need to get used to this. Maybe it's a bit too dark. Let me just try and soften it up a bit. Oh, I think I dropped something here. It looks kind of yeah, I mean it looks like it will last pretty much throughout the day. It looks promising. I think okay, there's a bit of smudge over here. I need just to clean this up. Okay, just need a closer look. Okay, yeah, definitely some cleaning up. Get my cotton buds here. Let's take a look. Okay. Yeah, it is a bit too dark. Maybe I went a bit overboard with the stamping. Okay, just it definitely looks like it's gonna last, but we'll know after I come back from my whole day of outing. I have a date with my sister. We haven't met each other for a couple of months now because we were supposed to a few weeks back, but she got the COVID. Poor thing. And we've postponed it until today. So we got a lot of things we want to catch up with, gossips, especially about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case. Oh my god, we got so much things to talk about, but I think mainly that's gonna take up quite a bit of our time. Okay, let's clean this up. I think it's looking better. It's not too dark now. Yeah, definitely better. But I think it needs a bit getting used to. But if you're in a rush, I think this would be a good option. Just don't go too strong on the stamping. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of my eyes and just go out and test it out to see if it will last like it claims to. So we'll see.
Many minutes later.
Okay, so I did my eyes, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara. Oh, and I also redid my lips because I think bolder lip color goes better with the queen eyebrows. You get what I mean? Okay, so I'm just gonna head out and see how the eyebrows gonna withstand a whole day of having fun. So we'll see. Bye. I mean, see you again later today.
Later that same evening.
Okay guys, I'm back from my day out. I've been out the whole day since this morning and it's officially past the 12 hours mark. And let's check. My eyebrows are still intact and it's pretty much been a very hot, humid and sweaty day and it's still intact. Oh my god, you can hardly see anything on my fingers. It's impressive. I must say it's pretty good. But one thing to note though, I did use makeup setting spray because I have naturally oily skin, combination skin, so I always use makeup setting spray before and after. So yeah, this is the one I'm using and it's from Urban Decay All Nighter. This is one of my favorites. And usually my eyebrows, I did my eyebrows from using other eyebrow pencil. They're pretty good, but let's say if my face gets too oily, it kind of rubs off. But yeah, this one's pretty impressive. You can see how much I've rubbed it. Okay, now my face is kind of oily after a whole day out. You can see that it's still pretty much intact, and it does wipe off a bit, but keep in mind this is after 12 hours. You can see it, it's just a little bit that comes off, but still pretty good. I'm impressed. So officially their ad doesn't say how long, they didn't claim like how many hours it's supposed to last, but it does say that it's sweat proof and waterproof. It's good. I like it. So definitely recommend. I would recommend this for those of you who has, you know, trouble or just too lazy to draw your own eyebrows, especially if you're rushing in the morning. You know, you can't really get both sides to be as symmetrical as possible, but this, I mean, the stencils, you're gonna get very symmetrical, like a mirror image of both eyebrows. So it does look a little bit unnatural, but I think as long as you don't apply too much, or you know, not too heavy-handed on your when you're stamping, it should be fine. Maybe I need to, you know, practice more and see how it goes, but initially it looks a bit too perfect. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I like it. So they have 5 colors that you can choose from, and they are blonde, soft brown, medium brown, deep brown, which is the one that I got, and also black brown. And one more thing is they are also cruelty free, so definitely a plus point there. And yeah, it's super affordable. It doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, and it works as it claims, sweat proof and waterproof. It doesn't come off much. I have super oily skin after a whole day being out in a hot day, and it hardly comes off. So it's super impressive, and it's definitely a godsend for people like me who are super helpless in drawing eyebrows. Trust me, I'm super bad at it. Before I had my eyebrows embroidered, a friend told me that I have a quizzical look. That's how bad I am. I am. Yeah, I'm still bad at it. So definitely, that's how bad I am in drawing eyebrows. So this saves a lot of time, saves a lot of heartache, saves a lot of pain in reminding me just how bad I am at it. So definitely need more practice. I'm liking it. Sorry, I'm just okay. I think I noticed something there just now. No, I've just been up the whole day. I think my eyes are getting too dry and starting to see things. So that's it from me today. I need to remove my makeup and get my beauty sleep because it's super late right now. And yeah, that's it for me. I just like to share a good find. I don't get commission from this. I'm not some influencer. I just like sharing good things, good finds. And until the next time I find something that's worthy of sharing, that's it. Bye-bye.